guys, welcome to today's video. I am very excited, and thank you to 500 subscribers. What better way is it to say thank you to 500 subscribers than thank you so much, I love you, for all of the comments. I really do appreciate the feedback, the thumbs up, and even to those that do the thumbs down, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. So for today's video, I'll be showing you quickly how to make this beautiful pillowcase. A lot of us have pillows in our house that need pillowcase, and we are yet to make pillowcase for it. So of course your DIY mistress is going to be showing you how to make this pillowcase in my quick easy step-to-step video. If you stay with me, I'm going to be showing you how to make this video, and for now I need to sleep.
So hello guys, welcome on board. So here up next, all I'm going to do now is just cut out the back side. Like I already sent the measurement. The back side is 19 by 35. 19 is the width, 35 is the length. This is because pillowcase comes with an opening. You can do your opening at the center or the first part of it. So up next, after cutting out the back side, I start to pin. I lay the back side on top of the front side. Remember, the front measurement is 19 by 30, so I just lay the back one on top and I pin up and straight up to my machine to sew. I sew all the corners, leaving just the center part of it. This is because that is where you are going to fit in your pillow through. So I just keep sewing all around, like as you can see in the video. So after which I am going to fold up the center part. I actually forgot to do this from the beginning, so I tried to just put this part out to show us. And don't forget to remove your pin while you are sewing so you don't injure yourself. Like I am showing through this illustration, this is what I want you to do. This would allow your work come out neatly. So I just do that straight up on my main pillowcase that I'm sewing for this tutorial. I just fold up. You can fold as much as you want, but if you want to fold that big, that means you're going to add much more allowances than I did. So I just fold quite little. This is about ½ inches. So after which I just sew up. You make sure while sewing you're sewing at the tips. This will help your work come out pretty neat. And if you are one whose hand is not yet straight while sewing, you just have to be careful sewing this part because any mistake can alter the work very rough. So I just keep sewing it down. Just keep sewing it down. I will allow you watch this part without saying anything. So here I am done sewing it, like as you can see, the same way it looks on this part. Then I just place it on my fabric. Remember, I already did the down part of this, so now you repeat the same process on the other side. I will be doing that off camera. Okay, so now I just complete the hemming part of it, and I just thought to add this. While doing this, at that center part where the joining of the up and the down part meet, you just have to double stitch it very well. This would allow it to stick so hard, and even if your pillow is very fluffy, it doesn't start losing. Your sewing doesn't start losing. So I just do that basically, and my pillow is all set and ready for use. This is just it for a pillowcase. You can do this with any old fabric you have in the house or your favorite fabric. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Share with me. Tell me what you want me to create, and you can share your work with me on my page.